Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall as well as reinstall the Microsoft WordPad application on your Windows 10 device. So it's definitely a nice text editor that has been included since I believe Windows 95. And if for some reason maybe you just don't like it defaulting to that, or maybe some documents open up in it and you're just used to using the Microsoft Word processor and you don't really want to have WordPad on your computer, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it as well as reinstalling it if you change your mind down the road. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Select the setting gear icon on the left side. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It should say Settings. So again, go ahead and just left click on that. Select the Apps tile. Underneath Apps and Features, select Optional Features. And now in this Find Installed Optional Feature, go ahead and just type in WordPad. We see WordPad is listed here. Go ahead and just left click on it, and then if you want to uninstall it, select the uninstall button. It should say uninstalled, and if we open up the Start menu and we try and open it up, we see even though it does appear, it actually will not open up, and if you try to restart your computer, it still won't open. So now if you decide you want to reinstall it, we're going to go select the Add a Feature button. So let's just say you're back here. Go to Optional Features, and now you select Add a Feature. Now you can type in WordPad and click inside of here, select Install, give it a moment here. Okay, so it says it has been installed, so very good. At this point we can close out of here, and if we open up the Start menu and type in WordPad and we try and open it up, there you go, good as new. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.